Yeah, we're in the IKEA restaurant in Costa Mesa, and it is yeah, people are starting to show up, so I don't know. Okay, I gotta go. Hey everyone, my name is Martina. I have a shop called Wacky Mail Pop, and in this video I am going to talk about my recent Meatball Meetup junk journal event that I held at IKEA Costa Mesa. I had the opportunity to work with the IKEA store to host a junk journaling event in their restaurant, and it was so much fun. Oh my god. Okay, what I'm gonna do today is, as I talk about the event, is I'm actually gonna junk journal about the event, because during the event, although I did attempt to actually junk journal myself, I wasn't able to. I was busy talking with people and kind of making sure everything was going smoothly, so I didn't actually work on any journaling, but I'm gonna do that now. Get started. Find a blank page. Here we go. Okay. So part of the event, I made stickers to commemorate the occasion. So the first one I did is the Meatball Meetup sticker sheet, and it has the phrase Meatball Meetup and meatballs. Of course, I had to make a sticker sheet with meatballs on it. I also made another little silly sticker sheet, kind of IKEA themed, furniture, journaling supplies, meatballs, you know. And then I also made this little postcard and a little word search to use in your journal spreads. So everyone got this pack. The whole premise was junk journaling in IKEA in the restaurant. I called it the Meatball Meetup. We had our own little private area sectioned off. We had one long table where everyone could sit at, and then we had smaller tables surrounding, so it had that, like, you know, nice community table feel. And we had it catered. So we had meatballs and plant balls, which were the surprise hit. A lot of people liked them. We also had charcuterie. We had a charcuterie set up. We had fruit, cheese, crackers. We had the lingonberry drink, but they made it a mocktail, so it was like fizzy and sparkly, and it was good and everybody loved it. And then we had dessert. So there were 2 types of cake that we were also served. Well, it was buffet style, so like everything was just set up, and then people could just grab what they wanted as they wanted. So was able to get a couple old IKEA catalogs to use that we were able to put out on our share table, so people could rip some pages out of them. So I might be able to use something from there. This is the junk part of the junk journaling. A bunch of people came. It was really nice. Kind of wanted to do this for a while. Ever since I moved back from Korea, I've been wanting to have a meetup with, you know, the people that have shopped with me for a while, the people I made friends with online through my live streaming. I took a photo with one of the attendees who is a friend of mine. We just happened completely randomly wear the same printed dress, so that was fun. We were both wearing the strawberry dress from Newark's. This is a photo of the amazing organizer who helped us with the event. His name is Franklin, and everybody loved him. Made meatball cutouts so we could take photos with them. So everyone was taking photos with these giant cutouts of meatballs, and it made me laugh. Raffles. We had like some good prizes. IKEA was generous enough to donate some prizes, and they actually donated a $50 gift card. Was like the big prize. And then they also donated a craft cart. I think it's called the Raskog craft cart. And then I had some items from my shop that I offered to the giveaway. I made this sticker and I think it's hilarious because it literally just says meatballs. And then we got a group photo. Really wanted this event to be small and with people who have followed my journey and followed my shop and kind of been a part of my Wacky Mail Pop community. I really wanted to do it with them. So a lot of them showed up and it was really nice. It was really nice to see everybody. Some people I met for the first time, some people I've met before, and some surprise guests. We had some surprise people that were there, so that was also fun. So there is the whole group of us. Alright, I think this is good. You guys want to see my finished spread? So, the Wacky Mail Pop Meatball Meetup. Yum! We vote meatballs. Let me know what you think. Is this something you would love to attend? If so, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. The next video is about San Francisco Stationery Fest. Meatball Meetup.